Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'll show you how to install it on any Samsung Galaxy phone using GoodLock's Theme Park and Icon Pack Studio, step by step. First, head to the Play Store and install Icon Pack Studio. It's an app that lets you design, export, or import icon packs. Open Icon Pack Studio. Tap on the search bar at the top and search for the OneUI 7 Dark Mode. Choose the option to download an icon pack, then select the OneUI 7 Dark Mode pack file. Click Apply and enable the Allow notification for it. Click Apply again and then press OK. It will export icon pack for personal use. Press OK again as it export your icon pack. You can check it at your download folder in your file manager. Next, open your Galaxy Store and search for GoodLock. Download and install it if you haven't already. Inside GoodLock, scroll down and install the Theme Park module. This will help us apply the custom icon pack. Once you open it, go to the Icons section and tap the plus symbol button to create a new icon theme. Tap on the download and then select the icon pack from the file manager. Theme Park will detect your newly installed icon pack. Select it and then tap on the download icon at top right corner. Give your theme a name and tap OK. Once saved, apply the theme. Your icons will instantly change to the OneUI 7 Dark Mode style. And congratulations! Your Samsung Galaxy now has the clean, minimal, and modern OneUI 7 Dark Mode icons. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe the channel for more Samsung tips, and press the notification button as well. Thanks for watching.